Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect Lovable to Stripe. To connect Lovable to Stripe, create an account on both Lovable and Stripe. In Lovable, initiate the Stripe integration by adding your Stripe secret key. Lovable automatically generates the necessary Superbase Edge functions to handle the payment processing and user authentication. Finally, deploy your Lovable app and use Stripe's test method to verify the integration. Number 1. Create accounts. Sign up for a Stripe account and set up a test product in your Stripe dashboard. Create an account on Lovable and start a new project. Number 2. Add Stripe API keys. In your Lovable project, select Add API key or Add Strip API key to open the input form. Navigate to your Stripe dashboard, go to Developers, API keys, and copy your secret key. Paste the secret key into the designated field in Lovable. Number 3. Connect to Superbase. Lovable will automatically connect to a new Superbase project or an existing one. This project will handle user authentication and manage the purchase data. Number 4. Create a purchases table. Lovable can automatically generate the necessary table in your Superbase project to track purchases. Number 5. Implement user authentication. Enable user authentication within Lovable to control access to your app. And finally, deploy and test. Publish or deploy your Lovable app. To test, sign up for an account in your app. Click the Purchase Now button and use Stripe's test card numbers to simulate a payment. You can also verify the integration by checking the console logs, Superbase logs, and Stripe's webhook events. Some key benefits: rapid monetization. Lovable enables quick implementation of payment gateways for monetization through subscriptions or one-time purchases. Integrated infrastructure. The native integrations with Stripe and Superbase provide near ready-to-use infrastructure for authentication, payments, and data management. Automated workflows. Lovable automatically scaffolds and deploys Superbase Edge functions for processing payments and handling Stripe webhooks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.